worried about mina? You are worried about mina? Ngiyahlanya. You are worried about mina? Kunini?
Morning and welcome to Get Your Fame TV network. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. This is to help our channel to grow. We are also available in all social media platforms as Get Your Fame TV network. Okay, let us get into it. Usisi Wandindlovu, she is back in South Africa. This is after she went to Nigeria. So a lot of people be like, lo angeka sabuye South Africa bambambile ama Nigeria ngale uyazini bona hostage. So that is why we started with the video ati nithi mina so tanphumene endabeni zami. So yeah, but it shows ukuthi even if mhlambe uthola ukuthi ama South Africa bakhomenta ngendlela bakhomenta ngayo kuma post wakawandi bebabonisa like ukuthi bayamkhathalela bayamthanda, so they were concerned. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nalomuntu ebeka kuye or mhlambe ebeka data naye ngeNigeria or lo data nayo i-chances ukuthi angenza something engekho right incane because of uWandi. She's a public figure and ubani ubhekile ukuthi uWandi uphi, uWandi upostani, ubani uWandi wenzani. So it was gonna be easy to trace her mangabe mhlambe kwenzakala something. So that is why ngicabanga ukuthi ubuye safe. But imagine for intombazana mhlambe enganagama but uthola ukuthi is a situation kaWandi. So this industry sometimes le aboWandi ebakuyo, it is very much difficult, and then I see safe on the other hand mangathi uyibheka kahle. So ngicabanga ukuthi khona izinto eziningi ezenzakalako mhlamba engeke bazishare ku social media or engeke bazishare ne community, but hey i-lifestyle abazichoosele yona. So wonke umuntu une journey yakhe, but siyabonga ukuthi uWandi ubuyile. Thank you very much for watching this video.